Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to see the Ladki Yojana and we will learn how to complete its KYC process step by step. First of all, you have to visit this website. After coming to this website, friends, you will see a link here. Mukhyamantri Ladki Yojana eKYC process. You have to click on it, okay? So let's click on it. It will take us straight to this page. Now here what do we have to do? Which our woman's name or serial number is listed. That is the one we will be working on. Next, we will enter her Aadhaar card number right here, and below that we need to fill in this captcha. Okay, click on send OTP. As soon as you click on OTP, will be sent to the registered number. Got it? Then again below that click on send OTP and don't forget to check the box that says I agree before processing. Alright friends, so here where it says enter OTP, we will type it in this box on submit OTP. Got it? You can see an option for a guardian. If your father is your guardian, enter your father's Aadhaar number. If you are married, then you have to enter your husband's Aadhaar number. If you are not married, simply use your father's number, right? Whichever Aadhaar number you enter, an OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked with that Aadhaar. Enter that OTP here. Solve the CAPTCHA and then click on submit at the bottom. That's it. So I have entered the Aadhaar captcha above. Now look here, it shows me Sahamat Ahe. We need to click this option. After that we have to click on send OTP. We will enter the OTP here and then click on submit. And look here, this section needs to be filled in by you. And the red line I have marked here, whosever Aadhaar number you enter, their name will be automatically opposed in that box. Alright, now look here, you can see an option called caste category. Just click on it. Alright, so as soon as you click on the caste category, you will see any different options. So whatever your category is, your simple select in form that list okay. Which your caste you belong to, choose that one. For example, those who are Muslims, most of them come under the general category. Yes, general is also called a Sarva Samanya. So here I am selecting the general category. Now you will see a number and line written here about whether any number of your family is a regular government employee. Below that you will see select. So from here you have to choose the option. There will be two options, just select yes. Okay. Next on the second point, it asks whether anyone in your family has already taken benefit from the unmarried woman scheme. Here also click on select and choose yes again. And after this, friends, here what you need to do next, here you will see a box on your screen. Just tick the box on the right and then click on the submit button. Once you click submit, a green message bar will appear saying that your KYC has been completed successfully. Alright friends, did you understand the video? If anything is unclear, feel free to ask your questions in the comment. I will definitely reply. And yes, make sure to share this video because most people have tutorials available in Marathi.